Hai guys, ketemu lagi di Mam Abil Channel. Buat kalian yang baru menemukan channel ini, jangan lupa untuk like, subscribe, dan komen. Di video kali ini, Mam Abil sedang berada di Gelora Sriwijaya, Palembang. Yuk ikutin terus videonya. Happy watching!
A few moments later.
Hai guys, gimana nih kabar kalian semua? Semoga sehat selalu ya. Sekarang Mam Abil mau olahraga guys. Olahraganya santai aja guys. Kita jalan santai, gak usah berat-berat. By the way, ini aku ngerekamnya udah putaran kedua ya guys. Nah, ini aku ditemanin Papa Abil. Tadi aku sendirian guys, larinya gak bawa handphone. Nah, ini sekarang aku udah putaran kedua. Ini Abil ikut sama Papa Abil. Lanjut lagi, kita puterin Gelora Sriwijaya ini guys. Lumayan ya, 2 putaran.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll
Selesai olahraga, lanjut ya guys. Kita nyenengin Abil dulu guys. Ini Abil lagi naik odong-odong di OP Mall. Nah, sekarang Abil udah pinter. Abil nggak nangis lagi guys. Nah, lihat Abil asik mainnya. Lanjut, kita tungguin Abil. Sekarang ini bayi gede aku lagi main. Itu dia Papa Abil.